Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Seedream 4.0 for free on DreamFace app. It's super easy and you don't need any paid credits to try it, so let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace app. Once you're in, just tap on Generate Image or Image Generate, this one. Just tap on it. And then in here, just tap on Prompt Box. And then next, you can either upload your own photo or just type a prompt to create a brand new AI image from scratch. In this tutorial, I will use a photo and then I will transform the photo into a cool cartoon style. Just tap on reference, this one, and then just choose your photo. And then confirm. And then just type your prompt. Choose your ratio that you want. In here, I will just use square ratio like this, and then just choose this Seedream 4.0, this one. Just check click like this. This is the one of newest and most powerful AI models in DreamFace. And then in here you will need one credit to generate, but don't worry, DreamFace will give 2 free credits every week. So even you are just using the free version, you can still try this feature and explore what it can do. And if you haven't claimed your free credits yet, I already made a short tutorial showing how to get them. Just click the link in the description below to watch the video. Okay, now hit the create. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, DreamFace will process your request and boom, you will get 2 photos like this. Next, you can just pick one and then just download it. You can download it all. And okay, that's it. That's how you can use Seedream 4.0 in DreamFace for free. It's quick, simple, and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.